Hello, everyone. Happy Wednesday. It's Teresa with Critters Crochet, and I've got my new do on today. I told y'all I was going short. Look at the back. I told you I was going short, and I did. Oh, this feels so. When it gets to be warmer weather, I don't like all that hair on my neck, so it's got to go. And so I go short when it's summertime. Um, I don't like putting the big clips in the back of my hair. And the main reason is because when I'm in my car and driving, that thing bumps the headrest, and I can't. Drives me nuts. So I'd rather just go short and wear it like this. So I am very happy with this haircut, and it's so much better. But anyway, today is Battle of the Stitches, and we are here today to do a sneak peek of what I am making and to see if you can figure out what I'm making. Our stitch for this month is called the front loop slip stitch. Okay. We are using this book right here to get our stitches from. Let me hold it up a little bit so you can see that. 200 crochet stitches, and it's by Tracy Hunter. Okay. So the front loop slip stitch is what we are working on this month. Let's see, let me get a picture of it real quick. Yeah, that's what it looks like right there. Okay. So what I have made so far is I'm using, this might help you with a clue. I'm using the Bernat Maker. This is a bulky 5, and it recommends using an 8mm hook. And I think that's what I'm using for this. Yeah, and I'm using an 8mm. This is my Omi hook. This is another hook that I love to use. These are Omi hooks. They're $11 on Amazon. OMMI, Omi. I love those hooks. But anyway, Bernat Maker Outdoor, fade resistant. It is 68 acrylic and 32% nylon. And this skein is 8.8 ounces, 250 grams, 249 yards. And it's a stretchy. It has a lot of stretch to it. Um, but I really like it. And so here is what I have so far. Ta-da! You have an idea of what I'm making, or maybe you don't. But this is what I have so far. I haven't had a chance to really work on it a lot, but this over this next week I'm going to kick it out. So this is what I have so far. So in the comments below, let me know what you think. Let me know what you think I'm making. And for those of you who are not familiar with Battle of the Stitches, this is something that Heather from Strings and Threads and I got together and figured out. And what we do is we come on every Wednesday on our channels is Battle of the Stitches. And what we do is the first Wednesday of the month, we introduce the new stitch for that month, and we do a tutorial on that stitch. I have a playlist called Battle of the Stitches, so you can go right to that playlist and see all of those. Then we also have, that's what we do the first Wednesday. We introduce the stitch, excuse me, and we do a tutorial to show you how to do that stitch. And then the second week, which is this is the second Wednesday, I give you a sneak peek and let you try and guess what I'm making. This month, normally there's just 4 months. This month has 5 months, so it's going to be a little different. The next week, which will be the third week, we are going to show you our finished product. And then what you will get to do, you need to watch my video and Heather's for that third week where we show our finished product. And then on each of our channels, and you can vote on both of them. You don't have to vote on just one channel. You can vote on both of our polls. In our community tabs, we will have a post that has a voting poll, and you can select whether you liked Heather's or mine better. Which one did you like the best? And vote. And we're going to, since it's a 5-week month, we're going to have the voting starting on the third week and also all the way through the fourth Wednesday. So you will have 2 weeks instead of just 1 week. You will have 2 weeks this month to vote. All right. The fourth Wednesday we'll come back on. We'll remind everybody that the voting is still going on, and to get your votes in, because then on the fifth Wednesday, the last Wednesday of this month, Heather and I will go live, and I believe we're going to go live on my channel. I don't know if we've officially decided that yet or not, but I'll let you know closer to that time. But we will come on live, and we will once again select a name from the people that have voted. And I'll tell you more about how the voting goes on next Wednesday. I'll give you more detail on that then. But we will do a random name picker, and we will pick someone to win. And whoever's project, if mine or Heather's got the most votes, whoever's project has the most votes, then we will send our project in the mail to the winner of that drawing. Okay. So it's really been fun learning these new stitches and coming up with new, and the pieces that we are creating are our own creation. These are not patterns that we're using. We are coming up with these on our own. So it's really neat to do this. I love this because I do want to start making my own patterns, and it's going to help me to build up a selection of patterns. So I'm loving it. If you are a content creator and you want to join in with us with Battle of the Stitches, all you have to do is email me. My email will be in the comments. Also, Heather will have her email, or not in the comments, in the description box. But Heather will also have her email available in her videos, so you can email either one of us, and we will give you the details and let you know what's going on for Battle of the Stitches and how you can get involved as a content creator. If you are not a content creator, but you are a subscriber to one of our channels, you can still be a part of this. You watch the videos, comment on the videos, make your votes, cast your votes when we open up the voting. And then another way you can participate is watch our tutorials on the first Wednesday where we show you how to make the stitch, and then you create something. You make something with that stitch and send us your pictures. And whatever you create, we will show your pictures on our channels. So that's the way that you can participate if you're not a content creator. So we're having a lot of fun with this. The more, the merrier. We welcome everyone to join in with us on this. So if you would like to be a part of it, let us know. All right. I'm going to get off here. Oh, I wanted to show you one thing. Sorry, before I leave. I had someone ask me to make them a frog. So I finished it last night, and here he is. I think I have to do I'm either going to have to do a little steaming on him to get this to lay down, or I'm going to have to tack it down somehow because it's wanting to curl on me. But anyway, this is I did look at patterns, but the patterns for some of these frogs were just insane. I couldn't follow them. I don't know. It's just they weren't, the ones that I found were not written very well. And so I just took bits and pieces from about 2 or 3 different patterns and created my own little frog. So anyway, this is little Froggy, and he's going to a good home today. And I really had fun making him. So I will talk to you guys later. I'm going to get off here and finish getting ready for company. But please join in with us on Battle of the Stitches. You will have so much fun, and it's just, we're just having a great time with it, and we want you to be a part of it too. And so yeah, if you're new to my channel and you've watched this all the way to the end, thank you so much for watching and joining me today. I hope you will hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos that I post. Let me know in the comments what you think I'm making, and let me know if you want to be a part of Battle of the Stitches. Bye, guys. Talk to you later. I hope you have a wonderful Wednesday. Love you so much.